Dialogo is an AI workforce platform. You describe the work. It connects your tools and gets it done. Any workflow, any combination of apps. Here's one example. Find businesses around Milan with great reviews, but no website. Get their contacts. Build each one a custom web app. Deploy it. Send a personal email with the link included. One instruction. Already found them. Real businesses. Names, emails, addresses, straight into a spreadsheet. Automatically. Now, for each one, a fully custom website. Built. Deployed live. A personal outreach email written from scratch and sent. This is what one pizza restaurant receives. Their menu, table booking, contact page, and an AI that knows their entire business, answering customers at any hour. The owner gets this in their inbox: their name, their brand, their live website. Now the most powerful part. We set this entire workflow to run every morning at 8. New businesses found, new sites built, new emails sent, every day. Nobody watching, nobody triggering it. This was one use case. Your team, your tools, your workflows. Dialogo runs them all.